12 early signs a relationship won't last.
Have you ever invested so much time and emotion into a relationship, only to find it crumbling around you? It's a painful experience, one many of us can relate to. Statistics show a significant percentage of relationships end prematurely, often leaving individuals heartbroken and wondering what went wrong. Recognizing the warning signs early on is crucial to saving yourself heartache and wasted time. This video will explore 12 early indicators that a relationship may not be built to last, helping you navigate the complexities of love and commitment with greater self-awareness. Let's dive into these 12 crucial signs. First, a profound lack of respect is a major red flag. This manifests in many forms, from belittling comments and dismissing your opinions to consistently ignoring your boundaries. Respect is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. Its absence is a clear sign of trouble. Next, constant conflict is inevitable, but the *type of conflict matters. Are your arguments constructive, leading to resolution and understanding? Or are they destructive, filled with insults, personal attacks, and unresolved issues? Frequent, unresolved arguments are a significant warning sign. Poor communication is another critical factor. Stonewalling, interrupting, failing to actively listen, and a lack of empathy all contribute to a communication breakdown that can severely damage a relationship. Effective communication is the lifeblood of a strong partnership. Controlling behavior is a serious issue. This can range from excessive monitoring of social media and demanding access to passwords to restricting your friendships and limiting your independence. Healthy relationships foster autonomy and trust, not control. Incompatible values and life goals are a recipe for long-term difficulties. Do you share fundamental values regarding marriage, children, career aspirations, and lifestyle choices? Significant differences in these areas can lead to irreconcilable conflicts down the line. Inconsistent actions versus words are a clear indicator of dishonesty and unreliability. Promises broken, inconsistent behavior, and a lack of follow-through demonstrate a lack of commitment and respect. Actions, as they say, speak louder than words. Lack of trust is a relationship killer. Jealousy, secrecy, suspicion, and past betrayals can erode the foundation of trust, making it nearly impossible to build a healthy, secure relationship. Trust is earned, not given, and its absence is a major red flag. A lack of shared interests and activities is another significant concern. Shared hobbies and activities are vital for bonding, creating lasting memories, and fostering a deeper connection. Without common ground, the relationship can feel isolated and disconnected. One-sided effort is a clear sign of imbalance. Is one partner consistently carrying the emotional labor, making more compromises, and shouldering a disproportionate share of the responsibilities? Healthy relationships require a balance of give and take. Ignoring red flags is a common mistake. Many people tend to overlook early warning signs, hoping things will improve. Addressing these issues early on is crucial to preventing the relationship from deteriorating further. Don't ignore your gut feeling. Unresolved past trauma can significantly impact a relationship. Past experiences can affect communication styles, emotional responses, and attachment patterns. Addressing unresolved trauma is essential for building healthy relationships. Finally, feeling consistently drained and unhappy is a powerful indicator that something is fundamentally wrong. A healthy relationship should bring joy and fulfillment, not constant stress and unhappiness. Prioritize your own emotional well-being. Let's briefly recap 6 of the most crucial signs: lack of respect, destructive conflict, poor communication, controlling behavior, incompatible values, and a lack of trust. These are fundamental aspects of a healthy partnership, and their absence warrants serious consideration. Self-awareness is key. Recognize these signs in yourself and your partner. To address these issues, open and honest communication is vital. Consider couples therapy to learn healthy communication techniques and navigate conflict constructively. Self-reflection and setting healthy boundaries are also essential. Prioritize your well-being. You deserve a relationship that nourishes and supports you. In conclusion, remember these 12 signs: lack of respect, constant destructive conflict, poor communication, controlling behavior, differing values and life goals, inconsistent actions, lack of trust, no shared interests, one-sided effort, ignoring red flags, unresolved past trauma, and feeling consistently drained. Recognizing these early warning signs can save you significant heartache and wasted time. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We encourage you to explore the resources linked in the description to learn more about building healthy, fulfilling relationships.
Subscribe, comment, and share for more content. Thank you.